Cozad hosted an antique farm equipment exposition on Saturday as part of their Smithsonian exhibit Journey Stories series. Lee Jansen from McCook brought his International Harvester one-row corn picker and gave a demonstration. Jansen said he believes the corn picker was built somewhere between 1923 and 1929.
It's a International Harvester one-row, of course. I believe it was built somewhere between 1923 and 1929. It takes at least 4 head mules to run it. 5 would be best if you're going to do it all day long.
Lynn Meyer from Maxwell brought his overshot stacker, horse-drawn sweeps, and his team of horses, Jet and Jake. Meyer said he purchased the stacker north of Burwell and restored it.
First time I've had this team on the overshot stacker, and it took it real well. This overshot I found it north of Burwell and restored it. And a couple of the sweeps that were here, horse sweeps, are mine, and I keep them fixed up.
There were also 2- and 4-horse sweeps, an antique baler, a 2-row corn picker, and many other interesting pieces of history to be seen.
Hell yeah.